not launching fix. Intro hook, 0.hid. Intrunk, escape from Tarkov crashing again? Or maybe it won't even launch? Don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to fix startup crashes, freezing, and even black screen errors so you can actually play instead of being stuck at the launcher. Step 1. Run Battlestate Games Launcher as admin. Close Tarkov completely. Right-click your Battlestate launcher, run as administrator. This fixes permissions issues that stop the game from launching. Pro tip, always run both the launcher and game as admin for stability. Step 2. Clear temporary cache and logs as C, users, your names, local Battlestate games, BSG launcher, cache. Delete the cache and logs folders. Restart the launcher cache is one of the top reasons for startup crashes. Step 3. Verify game integrity. Open Battlestate launcher. Click Settings, Integrity Check. This will re-download any missing or corrupted game files. Step 4. Optimize graphics and memory. Go to Game Settings, set borderless windowed mode. Disable VSync and lower texture quality to medium. If you have 16 GB RAM or more, enable use only physical cores in the launcher. This prevents random freezes and memory crashes. Step 5. Update drivers and DirectX. Update your GPU drivers, NVIDIA AMD. Install the latest DirectX runtime and Visual C++ redistributables. Outdated system files are one of the most common causes of Tarkov not starting at all. Step 6. Advanced fix. Config reset. Navigate to Documents Espasats Escape from Tarkov. Delete the shared.ini and local.ini config files. Restart the game, it will rebuild fresh configs. This helps if the game keeps crashing after launch. Outro. Final hook. After applying these fixes, Escape from Tarkov should finally run stable without crashing or freezing. If it helped, drop a like, and if you're still stuck, comment your exact error so I can make a new fix video just for you.